Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.1%. According to the RSI, we are in an overbought market. The last session saw the euro fall 0.4% against the dollar. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The pound fell 0.5% against the dollar in the last trading session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an oversold market. The Aussie fell 0.8% against the dollar in the last trading session. The ROC is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
Wall Street lost ground, retreating after a strong rally the previous week as investors awaited earnings from major companies to gauge whether equities would sustain their recent run to record highs. A jump in Treasury yields added pressure, with the yield on the benchmark 10-year bond rising to a 12-week high. Cryptocurrency investment products recorded their biggest inflows since July, hitting the $2.2 billion weekly mark, according to CoinShares. Digital investment products continue on a positive trend amid optimism over a potential Republican election win in the United States election, CoinShares said. Shares of Spirit Airlines surged as much as 46% after the ultra-low-cost carrier reached a deal with its credit card processor to extend a debt refinancing deadline by 2 months until December the 23rd.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Redbook Index will be released at 12:55 GMT. The US API weekly crude oil stock at 20:30 GMT. The Dutch consumer confidence adjusted at 4:30 GMT. Finland's unemployment rate will be released at 5 GMT. The Belgian consumer confidence index at 9 GMT. The UK's public sector net borrowing at 6 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.